Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix no sound and speaker problems on your TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go over into these settings. So if you have no sounds and speaker problems, we're going to go to settings and sounds and vibration. Here, we want to adjust the media volume and the call volume, but as you guys can notice here, there's no call volume, so you can change it while being on an active call. As you guys can see, you can also be just in the phone app, you can change it, and now it's changed up to the max. After that, what are we going to do is we're going to make sure that we are not using the sound off or vibrate. And now we're going to leave, we're going to scroll up to Bluetooth and make sure that Bluetooth is turned off. And we do that because we want to make sure that there is just no other device connected to our TCL. And as a last resort here, what are we going to do is we're going to update our software. So we can easily scroll down to system. In the system, we can click on system update. And here, as you guys can see, it is automatically checking for the latest version. We can manually check, we can double check, triple check, and see if we are on the latest version. I would recommend you updating your software if you're not on the latest version, because it's very important that you actually just update it so you don't have old glitches such as no sound or any speaker issues. And that's it for the video. So that's how you guys can fix no sound and speaker problems on your TCL. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.